Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can post archived posts or reels again. So open your Instagram and in your profile, say for example, previously if you have archived or kept some post for security reason or for privacy reason, if you archived that maybe reel or post, see by clicking on the three dots and by clicking on the archive, this post will be removed from your profile and will be hidden or archived. Likewise, I'll do this for the reel also, and now I'll show you how you can repost them again or post them again back. So for to do that, what you can do is on your profile, click on your profile, right? Yeah, this is the profile page. So at top right you will see three horizontal bars, right? Click on that and click on this archive. Okay, now here I couldn't see any post because I need to filter now. At the top drop down menu, see when I click on this, I need to change it to post archive, and here all the previous posts what I have kept hidden or archive will be available here. I need to click on the three dots and click on show on profile. Okay, two times you need to do that, confirmation also. Likewise, you can repost them again. If you feel helpful, thanks.